Hey guys, this is a new product which is a smart switch and smart beep with extra control port. Uh, this is controlled by Wi-Fi. It doesn't need internet. It's just a Wi-Fi controlled. You can see the applications over here. This is particularly for beep. Here you can see there is a beep over here, and this is your Wi-Fi ESP chip, and this is your smart uh, port for glowing this light. So let me just first check the beep with my app. You can see, okay, now I will switch on the light over there. You can see I will switch off it. Yes, and this is made on Huawei mobile core. Thank you.